So, unfortunately, over the last 2 years, the European furniture market went through significant challenges, as you mentioned, from different points of view. On the one hand, there was a decrease in consumers' purchasing power due to inflation that we had in the recent past, and also the housing market was quite weak. The housing market is pretty connected with the demand for furniture anywhere in the world, including Europe. And due to the higher than usual interest rates now, Europe, this was quite sluggish. And last but not least, there was also an issue of consumer sentiment, consumer confidence. So we have conflicts close to Europe. Some countries went through a difficult political situation. So all these brought a decrease of the furniture demand, especially in 2023, but the market was still declining in 2024 according to our preliminary estimate. Now the situation is quite uncertain because on the one hand several of these challenges are still there. On the other hand, there are some positive signals. For example, there is a projected, real wages are projected to increase, maybe not increase that much that they will offset the decrease of purchasing power of the last years, but still they are projected to increase. And also there are signs of recovery in the housing sector outlook, so in the future. Of course, the recent announcement made by the US administration about European possible tariffs on European production in the US cast further uncertainty to the European economy and to European consumers. This could have also a negative impact.